How to delete Cameo on Snapchat. If you want to get rid of your Cameo selfies on Snapchat, now Snapchat has actually removed the feature and hidden it somewhere. So you just have to make sure to find it and locate properly. First of all, make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version and then open the Snapchat app. Once you launch the Snapchat app, at the very top left, first of all, you want to go to your Bitmoji avatar. Then at the top right, you can see the gear icon. So just tap the gear icon there. Previously, we used to find the option that says Cameos right here, but now they have removed that and hidden it actually inside this particular option that says My Selfie. So if you look beside My Selfie, it says Cameos and AI Snap. So this is the option that we want to go to that says My Selfie. So to remove our Cameos, first of all, what we can do is you can see this Cameos option, just turn this thing off. After that, you can tap on Clear Selfie and clear your selfie as well, which will also permanently delete that particular Cameos from here. And this way you'll be able to delete Cameo on Snapchat. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon as always in the next video.